Hello everyone. I'll be grinning hard, huh? Well, this is my video on the 40-day challenge. I was challenged by TT, and that's TT's Urban Pantry. Okay, so I'm gonna make this video as quick as possible. I don't do too many short ones, so let's go with it. The first question: do you like cheese? Yes. Do you like Coke or Pepsi? Coke. Are you in a relationship? Yes, I'm married. Number 4, whiskey, tequila, or vodka. When I used to, many years ago, drink, it was more of a whiskey. Hot dog or cheeseburger? I guess I would say cheeseburger. Favorite food? I like a lot of food, so I can't name one particular thing. What do you drink in the morning? Coffee. Can you do 100 push-ups? Nope. Never had, never could, and not gonna try. Favorite season? I would say fall and spring. Yes, it's both of them. Even though both of them send my allergies up the roof, out the window, in the dirt, whatever you want to call it. But I like those two. I can breathe better, even though I get the sniffles. Favorite hobby? I can't name just one because I've always liked a lot of things, and the older I get, I'm trying more things. But my current favorite hobby, I would say, is gardening. Tattoos, 1. Glasses, yes, for both reading and seeing. I currently have contacts in. Phobias, I have a lot of phobias. This video would be long if I named all my phobias, so I'm not going to do that. Y'all know bugs is one of them. Nickname. As a child, my nickname was Tweety Bird. By my family members. As I got older with children, in the music industry, indie music industry, they call me Mama Wanda. And now, in my later years, more people just call me Love Lady. Favorite candy? I love chocolate. Do I believe in ghosts? Yes. Number 17. Biggest flaws. I will honestly have to say that I'm too giving. My husband gets so mad at me, but I'm too giving. I don't consider it a flaw. I just consider who I am. But I would say I'm a big giver. 18. Rain or snow? I'm definitely going to say snow, only because we don't get a lot of it. So when I do see it, I kind of like it. I'm terrified of rain. Piercing, I have 1 in my ears as a child. Don't want to try to get no more. 20. Age. Just know I hit the over the heel mark. That's all you need to know. 21. French fries or onion rings? Oh my gosh. If I really had to choose one, I would say onion rings, but I'm a starch lover. Kids. I have 3 biological kids and 3 stepkids. Favorite color? I would have to say now it's more like pink. Can you sing? In my head. Can you whistle? I can whistle. Where were you born? I was born in Houston. Do I have siblings? I have 2 brothers. Can you cook? I can cook. Can you swim? I can swim. I would say I've always been able to swim like a fish. Over the last few years, since my medical issue, I have swum once, and it didn't feel too great, but I would say I can still swim. Are you religious? I would say that I'm a person of faith. I believe in God. I believe in a higher power. So, if that answers your question. Bath or shower? I love a bath. I will take a shower, but I love a good bath. City or nature? Technically, I'm a city girl trying to learn how to get adjusted to nature. Are you a good friend? I would consider myself a good friend. I think they would say the same thing. So, broken bones. Yes, both of my ankles have been broken. How many TVs? 3 TVs. Worst pain ever. I cannot pinpoint one because I've had severe pain in many situations, and at the moment that I'm going through it, all of them feel like the worst pain ever. Do you like camping? I've never camped, but I've always wanted to experience camping, so I cannot say yes or no. Do you like to dance? I would say yes. I don't do it often anymore, but I was a danceaholic at once upon a time. Are you weird? Number 39. I can be. I would say I love to be goofy and have fun. So, if that's considered weird to somebody, then I'm weird. Otherwise, I feel like I'm normal as anybody else. Okay, number 40. Who are you challenging? So, I have a list of who I'm going to challenge. And because many of us are friends amongst each other, subscribers, I wanted to try to go outside the box a little bit and make sure I get some of my subscribers that I do try to stay in touch with as well. So, number 1, Organic Raw Roots Farm. Girl, I am challenging you. Number 2, BB. Number 3, Craze Family Homestead. Number 4, Patricia Incube. I might say that last name wrong. Number 5, I know I'm going to chop this up, but if I have to spell it, I will spell it. YT Davy Gardening and Worm Farm. Number 6, Tote Bread Production. So guys, you have been challenged. I hope to hear from you soon. And don't forget, it's all for fun. I don't say games, but I guess you can say games. Anyway, have a blessed day. Hope you like my answers.